Why are American aircraft carriers still invincible? U.S. aircraft carriers remain the undisputed giants of naval power in 2025, with the United States operating 11 nuclear-powered supercarriers, more than the rest of the world combined. Each vessel is a marvel of engineering, measuring over 1,100 feet in length and displacing more than 100,000 tons. These floating cities support up to 4,500 crew members and air wing personnel and can carry up to 90 aircraft, including the cutting-edge F-35C Lightning II stealth fighters. The scale and complexity of these ships are unrivaled, making them the centerpiece of U.S. naval strategy and global presence. The technological edge of U.S. carriers is exemplified by the new Ford class, led by the USS Gerald R. Ford. This class introduces revolutionary systems such as the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS, which replaces traditional steam catapults and allows for smoother, more efficient aircraft launches. The Ford-class carriers are powered by two A-1B nuclear reactors, delivering 3 times the electrical power of their predecessors and enabling the integration of advanced radar, electronic warfare, and laser defense systems. These innovations allow the carriers to generate up to 160 sorties per day, surging to 270 in combat scenarios, numbers no other Navy can match. In 2025, the U.S. Navy is also pioneering the integration of unmanned systems, with the MQ-25 Stingray drone tanker set to extend the operational range of carrier-based aircraft. This leap in capability allows for greater reach and flexibility in both combat and humanitarian missions. U.S. carriers are designed to operate for over 20 years without refueling, thanks to their nuclear propulsion, and can remain at sea for months at a time, projecting power anywhere in the world at a moment's notice. Despite the astronomical cost, each Ford-class carrier costs around $13.3 billion to build. The investment pays off in unmatched versatility and deterrence. U.S. carriers serve not only as mobile air bases capable of launching precision strikes, but also as command centers and platforms for disaster relief and humanitarian assistance.